In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change horizontal axis values in Excel charts. If you've ever created a chart in Excel and noticed that the labels along the bottom are showing the wrong data, or maybe they just need to be updated, this is a very simple fix. The horizontal axis is usually the category axis, and changing it lets you control which cells Excel uses for those labels. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change in just a moment. To begin, go to your Excel chart and right-click directly on the chart itself. Make sure you're clicking on the chart area so Excel recognizes that you want to edit the chart settings. This opens a context menu with several chart-related options. From that menu, click Select Data. This opens the Select Data Source window, which is where Excel lets you manage both the data series and the labels used on the horizontal axis. If you ever need to adjust what your chart is pulling from, this is one of the most useful places to know. Inside that window, look for the section related to the horizontal axis labels. In that area, click Edit. This will open a smaller dialog box where you can tell Excel exactly which cells should be used for the horizontal axis values. Now, select the range of data you want to change it to. In most cases, this means highlighting the cells that contain the labels you want to appear along the bottom of the chart. Be careful to choose only the correct range because whatever you select here will become the new horizontal axis labels. It helps to double check that the selected cells line up with the chart data you're using, so everything stays organized and easy to read. Once you've selected the new range, click OK. This confirms the updated label range and takes you back to the Select Data Source window. Then click OK again. This applies the full change to the chart, and you should immediately see the horizontal axis update with the new values you selected. That's all it takes. Right-click the chart, open Select Data, edit the horizontal axis labels, choose the new range, and confirm the change. If your chart still doesn't look quite right after updating the axis, take another look at the selected cell range to make sure it matches the data you intended to use. With this quick method, you can keep your Excel charts accurate, clear, and much easier to understand.